Today I'm going to share how to make leaves out of newspaper. It's very simple and easy to make, and you can decorate for floral arrangements too. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Kreations. Trust me friend, this is very easiest craft. You just need to watch the procedure carefully and follow the step. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest updates and hit the bell icon for notifications. For this you will need, so let's start crafting. Here we will be needing few newspaper tubes. You can color it before weaving or after weaving. Cut the tubes into half like this. Now we place this in the center, leaving 1 inch from top. Now bend the right tube this way towards left. Now the left one towards right, a crisscross. Yeah, like this. Now we add another tube down, place it downward and cross in the same way. First the right towards left and now the left tube towards the right, this way. Always bend in the same direction so that the braid is neat. Repeat in the same way. Place it this way, right, and now the left, this way. Keep on repeating. Tuck it under. Adjust the tube in the same way. First the right side towards left and the left tube towards right, this way. Let me show you one more time. Place it. Now this right tube on the left side and the left tube on the right side, this way. It will look this way. Keep on repeating till here. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And don't forget to like this video. Keep on repeating. Trust me friend, you will love making this. Look, it has come very perfect. If you want to learn more Christmas craft, please watch them. Link is in the description below. Now apply glue. And paste it. And attach cloth pin. Make few more. Now it's time to trim it. Cut them as shown. This way on both the side. Give the shape this way. Cut the rest of the leaves. Your beautiful leaves are ready. You can decorate any way you like. Hope this video was very helpful. If you enjoyed it, kindly like, share and comment below. You can ask anything in comment below if you have any question related to this craft. Thank you so much for supporting and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.